everybody, and welcome back. I am the Western Canadian Reviewer, and today we've got Little Nitro. Actually, no, we don't. I'm sorry. I lied. This is actually going off to a friend of mine. I actually realized how hot this thing was, and unfortunately, I would not be able to handle this whatsoever. 9 million Scoville is a little too hot for me, so we will not be reviewing this. Kyle, enjoy this. Well, go on then. Nothing to see, nothing to do. All right. I did promise that I would probably review something hot, and I know that not reviewing the hottest gummy bear is getting me in a lot of hot water. And if you guys are playing a drinking game right now with how many times I say hot, hot, now pass out. That being said, I am going to be looking at some chips. We are going to be looking at the Paqui Ghost Pepper chips. This is under the label of Freakin' Hot, and I did promise that I would be looking at something hot. I do not have the one chip challenge. I don't want the one chip challenge. But let's get into these. Now, I've tried a lot of the other ones, so I've tried from their not hot to their super hot or to their hot, and all of them have been really tasty. I've kind of liked the tastes on them, and yeah, apparently there's an insane amount of ghost pepper on here, even more ghost pepper. The heat is real. Okay. So I've got my milk here. Let's cut into this, shall we? All right. So hopefully you guys have had this before, if you can handle them or not. Hey, they don't smell that bad. They smell like corn tortillas. I'm not getting a spice off them. Maybe this won't be bad. Maybe. That doesn't look bad. There's not a lot of stuff on them. Doesn't smell spicy. And I shouldn't be scratching my face after touching the chips. All right, well then, cheers. Down the hatch. Tastes like a corn tortilla. There's a small burning on my tongue. Here's a little warm. It does have a lot of heat to it, or a little bit of heat to it that's building. Yeah, this is a slow burn. Ooh. Okay, so the throat's got a little bit of a tingling on the back of it. You feel it in the back of the throat right in here. And you can hear my cat. You're going to hear it for a bit because I'm not opening that door. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it does have some heat. It's not freaking hot. If I could see eating a bunch of these, it probably would be. Yeah. I do like the tortilla though. That's a nice tortilla. My cat hates it. She's outside and I'm in here. Huh. Yeah, it's a slow burn. It's got some good flavor though. It's not bad. I'm trying to find one with a lot of powder on it. That might be it. Definitely taste the powder on that one. This is actually good heat. Now, the good thing about this is if you're not a hot, spicy fan, but you like your stuff hot, you won't have many of these. Now, I'm feeling it in my stomach. I feel that sort of little burn, acidy burn there. Yeah, the back of the throat on this one. Whew. Okay, that's got a little bit more heat. I guess it depends on what kind of chip you have. Those aren't actually too bad. I do like those. I got a really good flavor to them. So have you had these before? This is the ghost pepper, haunted ghost pepper Paqui chips. Whew. Okay, that's got some heat. Having a few of those, it does attack you a little bit more. My tongue is numb on the very tip. And I hate to see what that one chip challenge would do to me, because that would kill me. This I can handle a few of these and then put them away. And then pick them up again and have a few more. It'd probably keep me very, very regulated for having chips, because I love my chips and usually I have half a bag. This I'm only having about 5 or 6 and I'm like, okay, put it down. Because it's reminding me that this stuff is actually hot. It actually does have some heat behind it. So, we're just gonna leave that alone now. And yeah, thanks for joining me. Again, I'm really sorry I'm not doing this. This is gonna be killing me if I do it, so this will be sending off to my friend Kyle. When he gets it, he'll be posting a video of it, and when he does, I will link it in my YouTube channel. Maybe if I'll see if I can actually post it on my YouTube channel too. We'll see what happens. Till next time, folks, cheers. We'll see you real soon. Thanks again for joining. Yeah, it's got some heat. Definitely has some heat. Ah, that's good. Okay, I'm good. Have a good night.